Salutations, welcome back to Saffron and Sypha's channel. Today we have a pterosaur video, guys. So what I have here is the Chaos Theory Pteranodon and the Rebirth Pteranodon. This is the latest one here. So this Chaos Theory Pteranodon here, well, we got this DNA scan right there. Has a flipping sound. The wings can be folded. Wings are pretty cool actually, it has tattered wings. Has a bigger body compared to the Rebirth. They made it smaller. The cool part is that this thing can stand though. You can leave it, but however, I don't think this one, can we try it? I don't think we ever tried it. No, it doesn't work. I guess Mattel made it in a different way, so this is still better, even though without sound and smaller. See? Looks like a regular Pteranodon standing. This one can't. It also has a tiny tail for some reason. It is bigger, but the tail is just too small, too short. Has some cool scars they gave there, including the beak right there. There's like scars on its beak, even on its crest, whatever that is, the head crest of the Pteranodon. Look at that, scars right there. Now, this one right here doesn't have any scars. Yes, there you go. Fold it. There you go. It looks like it's flying now, gliding. There's the DNA scan for the Rebirth. Now you can fold it again and move it. And you can let it stand again. Like that. There you go, see? Alright, so let's bring out our Jurassic World Survival, the last Wild War for our video. The last of the first wave, actually. So now we're gonna wait for the second wave now. Hopefully it comes out January or February. So there you go. We already did all of these. Now let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. Oops, there's one more. Okay, guys. While I'm opening this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you, thank you. Okay, well, nice. This is a nice color. It looks like it has a blue light now. You see that? Blue light. Whoa, look at that. Oh, nice. Look at that. It has a translucent color there. Look at that. It's just like a see-through. Whoa, look at that. It has lights on its arms as well. And there's the DNA scan for you guys. This is a nice Pteranodon. There you go. However, you can't flap the wings. How come the wings can't be flapped? It's supposed to move, right? Oh, what? The wings can't move? Is there another button for the wings? I don't think so. No, the wings can't move. Oh, yeah. See that? The wings can't move. Just the mouth. So, well, that's the sad part. The wings doesn't flap. Just the mouth. Alright, so let's check the difference. So it looks like this is a bigger pterodactyl now. Look at that. Bigger than the Chaos Theory. Longer tail. That's a longer tail. The crest also looks different. Look at the crest. This one looks better too. I like it. Whoops. There you go. Has that. They gave it a style over there compared to this regular Pteranodon. Look at that. So this looks better, but I'm kind of sad that the wings doesn't flap though. You can fold it though. Oh, what is that? Probably some factory defect. Alright, it has a decent size, nice sound. Just the mouth moves. So it has a bigger chest as well. Look at that. Compared to our Rebirth, it's a really small pterodactyl now. Wow, this thing can gobble it up. Oh. Look at that. Oh man. So nice wings. There's no tatter to the wings, but it's really cool though. Oh yeah, that's my complaint here now. The wings doesn't flap. It does not flap, guys. I wish it could move. No. Alright guys, there you have it for today. Our survival Wild War Pteranodon. Nice. Nice color too, but yeah. Alright guys, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video, okay? Thank you. You guys have a good one now.